In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users to Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring new teammates into your workspace, give them the right access, and get them up and running smoothly. First, open your Confluence site and sign in with an administrator account. Only admins can invite users, so make sure you have the right permissions before you begin. If you manage multiple Atlassian products, confirm you're in the correct site where your Confluence space lives. Once you're in, head to Settings using the gear icon in the top right. From there, choose User Management. Depending on your version, this might be labeled Manage Users, but it takes you to the same place. This is the hub where you control who can access your site and what they can see. Next, look for the option to invite or add users. Click that and enter the person's email address. Take a moment to double check spelling. Typos here are the most common reason invitations don't arrive. Some versions let you invite multiple people at once by pasting a list of emails, which can save time when onboarding a team. Before you send anything, choose the correct product access. Make sure Confluence is selected so the user can actually sign in and view pages. If you already use groups to manage permissions, like a general Confluence users group or a specific project group, add them now. Groups are the easiest way to ensure consistent page and space permissions without managing each person individually. Quick note while we're here, if you don't yet have a Confluence site or you need the official link, you'll find it at the very top of the description. Use that to sign in or create your site, and then follow along. When everything looks good, click Invite or Add. Confluence will immediately send an email invitation to the address you entered. There's nothing more you need to do on your end at this point. From the user's side, they just open the email, follow the link, and set up their account. That usually involves creating a password and confirming basic details. If they don't see the email, have them check spam or junk, or wait a minute in case of mail delays. Once they finish setup, they can access Confluence with the permissions you've assigned. And that's it. Your user is invited and ready to start collaborating. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to use the link at the top of the description to access Confluence. And feel free to share this with your team so everyone follows the same smooth process.